Hey guys, today I wanted to show you the integration with the wireless Apple CarPlay in your new 26 Honda. Here's how easy it is. All you do is go to Apple CarPlay on your touchscreen and hit Connect New Phone, and we're going to go into the Settings tab on your iPhone, into the Bluetooth setting, and then search for devices. And there's my phone. I just click Justin's iPhone. And then you hit pair on your phone and hit allow for contacts to sync. And eventually it will say connect for the Apple CarPlay integration. And again, this is wireless. You do not have to plug this in. However, some of the lower level models do offer wired integration for Apple CarPlay. We're going to hit yes on the screen and confirm and set and OK. And accept all these. And there we go. And now I'm hooked up with the wireless integration for Apple CarPlay. At that point, I can just silence my phone and set it down here on the wireless phone charger and just use the voice command button on the steering wheel to bring up Siri, in my case, to call anybody, text message hands-free with punctuation, or use any of my navigation apps. So I appreciate you guys watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Feel free to visit us right here on Route 30 in Greensburg. Ask for me, Justin Thompson, or visit us online at smailhonda.com. Thanks again for watching.